I love pala mga Joe. Lahat ng Joe sa buhay ko. Hi, this is Binamnam. Just savoring life. I just wanted to show you something. Oo, sopas ito. Sopas mula sa kapitbahay ko dito sa condo. Hi, Joe! Shout out to you, Joe! I love pala mga Joe. Lahat ng Joe sa buhay ko. Anyway, Joe, thank you for the sotanghon. One thing about quarantine na na-appreciate ko, yung barter system. We call it barter, but it's really exchanging and giving stuff to each other na hindi monetary. The thoughtfulness. Nagsimula yan, at least alam ko doon sa aming magkakapitbahay. Dito sa Makati, may mga titas ako, nagpapadalahan kami ng pagkain kapag may kailangan kasi alam natin hindi naman lahat nakakalabas. So kung may pagkain, nagpapadala ng food. Hindi lang yon, pati na rin sa mga kasama kong makeup artists. Lahat nag-share ng food. So everybody's in a sharing mode. Para sa akin, itong COVID, sabi ko nga, distant is just an illusion. Because honestly, ako yung mga kapitbahay ko dati hindi ko kilala. Kilala pero hindi kayo masyado nakakapag-usap. But because of quarantine, mas naging aware tayo sa pangangailangan ng bawat isa. And that to me is a very big thing. Yung alam mong baka yung kapitbahay mo walang nakakain or baka yung kapitbahay mong elderly hindi nakakalabas dahil bawal silang lumabas. It's just being aware that other people are there besides yourself. That's our binamnam. For reflection, what can we reflect about? Do something for others. Not expecting anything in return, being kind for kindness sake, because such is pleasing to God, diba? So that is our binamnam today, and I shall eat my sopas. Mahilig ako sa sopas. So salamat sa grasya, sa aking kaibigang si Joe. Hindi lang yon. Hindi lang siya ang Joe. But wait, there's more. Hindi lang siya ang Joe na kaibigan ko. Kapitbahay ko rin, Tito Joe Marie Chan. And si Tito Joe, pinapakain naman niya, he feeds me with music. So Tito Joe, shout out to you. And to Joe, another Joe who sent me food. Thank you very much. Binamnam everybody. Let's do something for others randomly. Be kind.